During a meeting with business leaders in Doha, US President Donald Trump claimed that India had offered to enter into a bilateral trade agreement with the United States under terms that would impose no tariffs on several American goods. While he did not elaborate on specifics, Trump highlighted the proposal as a significant shift in trade policy. The president also mentioned that he had urged Apple CEO Tim Cook to abandon plans to expand manufacturing in India, suggesting instead that Apple should increase production within the United States. He asserted that Apple would be enhancing its domestic manufacturing footprint as a result. These comments come amid ongoing negotiations between trade representatives from both nations. From April 23 to 25, officials from India's Commerce Ministry and the Office of the US Trade Representative held productive discussions in Washington, building on prior meetings in New Delhi in March 2025. The aim is to finalize the first tranche of a multi-sector bilateral trade agreement by fall 2025, with expert-level and in-person sectoral meetings scheduled for late May. The trade talks align with the leader's statement of February 2025, wherein Prime Minister Modi and President Trump launched Mission 500, an initiative to double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live to stay updated.